Hi guys, welcome to this video, and today we will be looking at a platform built by a Filipino for the Filipino. This is Prosperna, an e-commerce made simple for Philippine businesses. Create an online store, sell your products everywhere, accept payments, and automatically book shipping. So all-in-one na siya, no? Meron ka ng online shop. You can accept payments. I think it's GCash. Pwede ka mag-GCash, pwede ka mag-Taya, pwede ka rin debit or credit card, and automatically book shipping. So tignan natin yung mga ano na yan. Okay, so allowed by thousands of Filipino businesses. Alright, so sino pa? Mitch Razote, Godfather, Buko Sembuana, Jewelry, Dim Sum, Magus Pizza. Okay. Alright, so easiest way to start selling online, drag and drop page builder. Okay, so maganda yan. Madali na mag-design. Parang platforms rin. So multi-channel or order management, you can connect Lazada, Shopee. Okay, pwede mo makita yung orders. Alright, order management. And accept payments, you can accept GCash, Visa, debit or credit card, Maya, Banknet, 7-Eleven. Right? And automatically book shipping. So integrated na yung JNT at saka yung Lalamove. And doon mo na sa app nakikita yung yung status ng delivery. So hindi mo na kailangang buksan yung Lalamove app or JNT app. Alright? So, dun na mismo sa Prosperna bubuksan. Okay, professional design themes. Okay, pwede kang customize. Pwede kang gumamit ng mga templates. Depende sa iyong product or service. Okay, Prosperna is the easiest and fastest way to start selling online. Okay, now so, pwede siya sa mga restaurants, health and beauty, Facebook sellers, Shopee sellers, Lazada sellers, okay, digital creators, cafes, okay. Okay, features. So, ang dami siya. Mayroon siyang CRM, okay, good yan. UTMs, book, SMS, emails, dashboard, report, support, inventory, order management, free domain, online search, pixel, okay. Right, so those are good features. So this is Dennis Velasco, right? The CEO and founder of Prosperna. There's no other company more passionate about leveling up the playing field for for Philippine businesses. Okay, I've talked with Dennis Velasco, and very vibrant person, and yeah, I can see his vision sa kanyang platform, no? And this mission is to we're on a mission to empower 1 million Philippine businesses with simple and affordable e-commerce software made specifically for our country. Yeah, kasi ang payment gateway niya is GCash, Maya, debit, credit, and 7-Eleven. Alright, so the entrepreneur's digital transformation journey can be lonely, but don't worry, you're not alone. Alright, join the Prosper Nation, and let's work together and build a better Philippines. Wow. Create a vision, create a mission. Alright, so empowering each and every story of Philippine business. Okay, these are sample okay, stories of their success stories of
I'm Santiago of Buku Buku Cafe, and I run a family-owned restaurant serving Filipino comfort food with a Southeast Asian twist in the metro.
Alright. Actually, I already created my shop here. Freelancer Payments Network. And yeah, empowering freelancers. So I do have some digital products na. Okay, simpleng online stuff, online store setup. Alright, so pwede na siya, available na siya, pwede na siyang bilhin. And meron ring boss na tayo. Your ultimate freelance online store manager guide. So, sa mga aspiring freelance online store managers dyan, this is a guide ebook para sa inyo. And sa paano pa dito? Alright, stop scroll order for food businesses. Alright, this is social media strategies for online food stores. Alright, so ang maganda sa mga ebook na to is it's not only an ebook but it's passes. This is your ticket to success. By purchasing this ebook, you will gain access to our exclusive support community, ensuring you are guided in managing your online store. So, alright, so yan ang ating Freelancer Philippines Network online store. Alright, so very simple, very slick, pero very functional. Pwede nyo na siyang bilhin. Sa pagka-order niya siya, pagkabahay nyo through GCash or Maya or whatever, what have you, mada-download mo na agad siya. And madali lang. Just created the description and the pictures. Yun lang. Actually, parang less than just a few hours natapos ko to lahat. And let's look at naman yung ating dashboard. So, Prosperna promises GoPro turn on. Alright, Prosperna promises easy e-commerce, no? Online easy online selling, no? So, and tingnan natin yung ating back end. So, ito yung dashboard niya. Very simple, no? Kita mo agad sales, yung orders. So, ito yung mga leads. Ito yung orders. Okay, yung products. I have already listed 3. Pero alam ko, sa free accounts ay pwede kang mag-list ng 10. Okay. And, categories. Ano pa ba? Labels. Marketing. You can create discount, okay, create discount coupons, pwede. And okay, finances, ito maganda, no? Kita mo agad yung mga kita mo na agad yung kita mo. Okay, meron akong balance. Funds can be withdrawn every 3 business days after information. Note, a minimum of available balance of 250 is required to initiate a withdraw. Okay, so kailangan umabot ng 250, and right now it's 191.99, and meron akong pending balance. Right, so withdrawal settings, ito maganda, no? You can withdraw directly to your bank or your GCash. In this case, I have my GCash here, so yeah, pwede na yan. Page builders, these are all your pages, pero you cannot edit it. Sa free account, you cannot edit your pages, or you can even add yung mga media library. Marketplace are the apps, no, na add-ons. I think some of here are additional fee is free. Okay, so yung iba dito, I think merong bayad like there. PSU, itong Lazada integration, Shopee integration, and yeah. Okay, blogs, pwede ka na mag-vlogs, order scheduling, okay, announcements, custom delivery dates. Alright, so those are the additional apps, and ito yung business operations. Okay, so yan, you can edit those to your likings, and yung payment, so you can accept GCash, Maya, GrabPay. Ito yung mga 2.5% ng transaction fees, and you can accept also debit, credit card, bank transfer, and 7-Eleven. Now, kailangan mo tong i-activate, no? So, just activated na siya. Pero to activate that, kailangan mo submit ng business registration, DTI, or if you don't have DTI, yung BIR, okay? And yun. So you will submit that for approval, and once na approve ka na, you can use the MyPay, accept payments in your website. And ang shipping, alright, yan, JNT and Lalamove. So kailangan mo muna activate. Ito na activate yung Lalamove pa lang nakaka-activate sa akin. Ang JNT is standard delivery. Pwede rin manual shipping by customer, manual shipping by merchant, store pickup. So set up nyo lang yan. According to your likings. Digital products, you can accept credit card, e-wallets, over the counter. Users, kailangan ko mag-upgrade. Alright, yung messaging and AI, right? So parang nahihirapan ka lang magsulat ng product description mo, gumamit ka ng AI. So ito mga may icon na ganito, mga crown, are not available sa free account. So kailangan mo mag-upgrade para ma-avail yan. Alright, so ito yung mga plans, no? Okay, monthly, yung plus our upgraded plan is 495 monthly, no, yung pinakamura, and yung other levels is pro, so 1249 and 2499. Alright, so ang free account, meron ka ng 10 products, 1 inventory location, 1 admin user, and sell on Facebook, which is pwede na, no, if you're starting testing the waters, no, testing your products, pwede na yan. Now if you are really serious in doing business or doing online selling, you can go to this upgraded. Now ito may pay for 12 months, meron ka raw free free na 1 month. Alright, so if ito ang free plan, if gawin natin annually yan, it's 5,940 for 1 year. Right, so pwede ba naman itong ma-avail. So that's 5,940 for 3 months, 13 months. Okay, so it's around mga 400 plus, pero mga 450. Okay, so mas mura siya, no? Nakakamura ka. And not only that, meron ka ng plus 1 month. Now you can choose, instead of 1 month, you can choose a free domain na .store, no? So parang hotdog ni Harold .store. Hotdog ni Harold .store, no? Instead hotdog ni Harold.prosperna.com na mahaba, ito na lang .store na pwedeng di ba, short, recognizable or memorable and professional. So pwede yan, pwede rin to. I can choose provider, and ito up to 50 products, mas marami ng products, 2 inventory locations, so meron ka ng 2 branches ng yung online store, and 2 admin users. So this is important, no, if you are planning to hire an online store manager, no, instead of papayaran mo yung password mo sa isa, you can have 2 users, no, admin users na you can check, and you can let the other one do the works, no, design yung product listing, and it can, and also you can sell on Facebook, Instagram, and more. Okay, so sa free account is lang sa Facebook lang. Alright, so ayan, if we look at more on this, okay, ito yung free, lifetime naman yung free. So paggawa ng account na free sa lifetime, pwede mo siya magamit. Pero if you upgrade here, no, to inventory location, manage inventory, fulfillment orders or product across multiple locations including retail stores, warehouse, kapakay. And of course, habang tumataas ang iyong level of upgrade, tumataas yung iyong storage and also yung bandwidth and yung dashboard, may advanced and limited. Alright, products 10, 50, 100. Okay, unlimited. Okay. So pag starting, pwede ka na dun sa free, or mas maganda if you are looking to hire another person to work on your shop, dito ka na sa plus. Okay, sales channel sa free is Facebook lang, ang plus ay Facebook, Instagram Pro, and yun, you can integrate Lazada and Shopee dito sa Pro and Premium. Marketing, okay, almost parehas. Magkaiba lang dito sa SMS messages. Okay. Shipping methods, book my own, store pickup, and auto book shipping. Right? And payment methods, parehas lang. COD, Visa, Mastercard, e-wallets. Okay, will account and support. Ang priority response ay Pro and Premium. So if you are serious in your online store, I guess pinakapagandang option dito is annually and get that domain. So another income stream of income here is yung referral program nila, no, affiliate program nila. And you can earn up to 35% of your friend's purchase, no? So kailangan lang dito is you have to register. This is a separate registration for referral program, and sabi dito 15% for your first 20 customers, right? Pero dito sabi is 35. I don't know which is which, pero basta it's another income stream. So ano ba, may mga friends na gusto rin mag set up ng online shop nila, you can give your referral link, referral code. Or if you're a freelancer and you're offering online store management, ano mo na, i-refer mo na yung client mo, yung customer mo, and then yeah. Anyways, they need to be upgraded para for you to work on their site. So those are the feature of Prosperna. Right now, very easy to create your store. Actually, I have created my own store less than ilang oras ba? Half day. I already have 3 products. So yun. So yan ang features ng free account ng Prosperna. I will be upgrading this and will be taking a look on other features dito. So yeah, this hanggang dito na siguro ang ating video, no, and I hope it gave you a lot of insights on how Prosperna works. And yeah, on this next video we will be looking at the premium features of this e-commerce made simple for Philippine businesses. All right, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Sabay-sabay tayo, rumarag ka sa mundo'y panalo.